how to use TikTok new AI filters and effect. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use TikTok new AI filters and effect. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the plus icon shown in the bottom center of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the camera section. Now here in this section, at the bottom left side, you can see different effects. So simply scroll through that effect, and once you do that, at the bottom, a button will appear which says view all effects. So simply tap on it. And now here on the new pop-up menu, at the top of that menu, you can see different tabs. So simply scroll through that tabs and there you can see the option labeled as AI. So simply tap on it. And now here you can simply look for the effects like AI avatar, AI backgrounds, or AI face swap, and this may change as TikTok updates new AI tools regularly. So here simply select your favorite AI effect, and here some filters need a photo upload too. So here simply choose the one that you'd like, and after that you can simply click and hold the record button to capture your video with the AI filters. And now after recording, you can still add text, stickers and music, and here you can simply tap on next and preview before posting to see how the AI effects look. And now here in this page you can add a caption and share your AI powered TikTok, and you can also save it to drafts if you want to edit more later. And that's it. That's how you can use TikTok new AI filters and effects in 2025. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.